consider AI should be your helper. Everything you do, and since you have a human's value, the noble, the God-created value, and use AI as a helper to achieve what God wants you to do with your talent. That's basically the talent training I want to do. And semiconductor, because we know the content, so we can do it much easier because semiconductor has been mature. Physics, everything, the working SOP, the flow are pretty standard. Okay, why do we need so many people working so hard of just doing tedious which human machine can do? Human need to think, need to design, need to create that kind of stuff. That's how I consider and this is the way I go into the semiconductor education. Kind of talent I want to train from Taiwan. Very, very unusual, very different from most people are thinking about. Semiconductor education, Taiwan is probably one of the best. The reason very simple, we have 30, 40 years experience of doing that. Not even a school, we don't have any kind of a commercial company doing post-school education. So anybody want to do a semiconductor talent training, I think Taiwan can provide a way fit to the different country because every country has its unique culture. For example, for Western culture, I think I will focus on the digital transformation. Okay, and how to together create a system talent can make the silicon work much easier.
When I was in US, I'm working in the R&D fab to develop the R&D process and then later transfer the fab. Personal interesting experience is when I went to Singapore, actually C.C. Wei was in charge of R&D in Charter. He hired me to do R&D job. On the first day, orientation, when I went to see him, his secretary told me my job has changed. Without any warning, I was assigned to fab as a fab manager. I never done fab job in my life, and they give me the money for me to learn it. So I consider it's a God's blessing again. I really that job that really changed my entire career in terms of R&D. Because in Taiwan, in Asia, most of the time we are using manufacturing fab to do R&D. Manufacturing fab and R&D fab is completely different culture. R&D fab, R&D system doesn't allow you to do much change because the robustness is very important, right? And the R&D need to change, otherwise it's not going to do for R&D. It will be mature for manufacturing. So because of that manufacturing job, when I go back into Taiwan to do R&D again, it's completely different mindset of R&D. I start to leverage the efficiency of fab. Fab means you run very quickly. How do I do a flexibility work using that system? That's why I developed a special, world-class or probably unique so-called smart R&D system. I let the R&Ds, we want to do a flexibility, and I receive that input, and I do all the QA, and then I start to dispatch to the manufacturing using manufacturing concept. So it is a culture, I even call it a cultural translation layer system. To make the R&D be able to do it is a culturally conflicting manufacturing system, and combining the manufacturing efficiency and R&D flexibility. That's why TSMC R&D, when we develop this technology, that engine is run so efficient and so flexible to develop that technology. So many learning cycles we can do within the same period of time. If you go to US or to any place else, we probably our cycle of learning is much more than the other R&D fab because we are running so fast.